Okay, I don't want my neck to feel shitty.
Welcome to Race Day
And Radiator Springs.
The champion needs speed
And style.
Luigi, give our friend your best.
Now you look like a real race car. Going up to the starting line.
Come on in, rookie.
It takes more than new tires to win a race. I'm your new crew chief.
I'll tell you what, hit you hard. Get it into the groove. Pay attention. Do it proud.
Yes. Now you have the chance to make this the most glorious race of your life.
Remember, take all your personal belongings